Finally finished the Allied Rail Builders Rebuilders kit from Walthers. I'm going to add 3 tracks coming down, branching off of that. And it's going to hook in right there on a Y. That's the prime mover that comes with that kit. It's not a bad little kit. I did a white wash. That way you can see the mortar lines on the brick. I don't know how good you can see it on this phone. Looks pretty good. It's gonna be 2 spare tracks coming off here to set parked cars. It will be 2 more tracks going back. That way you could put cars that's waiting to go into the repair shop over there. It'll probably be able to hold like 4 cars on each track. I'll have the lights in this building probably Saturday. And I'm going to put all the other lights back in here. This building here has already got lights in it. Alright guys, just short little update. Show you a little bit of progress. This weekend when I go up to model train stuff, I'll be getting the outcrop rocks right there. And I'll show another progress on that this weekend. Alright guys, take it easy.